After having not attended two recent Congress party functions in the city, speculation ran rife that CLP leader Dr. Mukul Sangma and newly appointed MPCC President Vincent H Pala were not on the same page and there is a division within the party. However, today Dr. Mukul Sangma broke his silence on this matter by saying that there is a need for a course correction in the Congress. The CLP leader also denied reports which came out in the media that he had met TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee in Kolkata. Sangma further said that the matter will be taken up within the four walls of the party and currently no information can be divulged to the media, but everything would be made known after the discussion with various party leaders. After questions were raised, he said that he has friends from different political parties within the state of Meghalaya and in the national capital.
Appreciate the fact that that itself creates a perception. Now what is the perception? That perception itself generates this whole narrative. Now what is the narrative? Narrative obviously revolves around something which I have said that I will press for some course correction. I will press for course correction at an appropriate level within the four walls of our party. That is what I will do. So rather than having a verbal diarrhea, I think it's better for me to keep quiet and share with all of you when it is appropriate, and I will share the appropriate information, whatever is inconsistent with the expectation in our given democracy. You know, as politicians, we need to share certain inputs, but timing is important. You know, timing is important. It is important for us to decide upon the right timing to share any inputs, because we at the end of the day represent people. So people must know what is in my mind, what is in our scheme of things as we plan ahead. Because at the end of the day, why are we in politics? Why am I in politics? I am in politics because I find that this platform is there, which I must utilize, because I have an intent. I have an intent to not blame others, but take upon myself and assume upon myself the responsibility of taking care of my people and taking care of my state. It is natural because I have friends all across. I have friends all across different political parties, and whether within the state or outside the state, we have known each other for a long time. And I have had the privilege of knowing many people. So it is a natural thing. But then what is important is to see that to whichever party we belong to, we first try to strengthen that party. And the purpose of strengthening that party is to ensure that that party is capable of providing us the platform, a platform with a strong foundation to be able to do justice to the responsibility that we assume upon ourselves as elected representatives.